Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Kaijudo Nature Civilization demo deck. It says might makes right. On the back it says the same as every other one. Same thing on the sides as well. Okay. Okay, first card we have is Estenos, the Cloud Knight. His double breaker. 3, Sniper Mosquito. 2, Brave Giant. I think everybody that plays Kaijudo knows what that's called otherwise. We have 4, Return to the Soil. 3, Sprout. So far this one seems very well put together. We have 3, Razorhide. 2, Keeper of the Clouds, or Keeper of Clouds, excuse me. We have 2, Karate Carrot. It's a nice little card. 3, Stalker Sphere. 3, Rumbling Pterosaur. Then we have Splinter Claw Wasp. I don't think I've seen that card before. Then we have Ambush Scorpion. I've got tons of those in Duel Masters and Kaijudo both. We have 2, Perimeter Drone. It's a neat little card though, it really is. We have 3, Fear Fang. 3, Thunder Cruisers. Good card, only 1 mana cost. I mean, plus on top of that it's a blocker. So, then the last 3 we have, Sunshock. So all in all, the nature deck here is pretty well put together. It's very nice. You got lots of great things in this deck to work with. You know, it's always nice to have Sprout, for example. Karate Carrot's a good card. Stalker Sphere. Brave Giant is okay. He's just not something people would prefer. Since there's a version, you know, there's a card almost exactly to him that has 1 less cost. So, I mean, what do you think they're going to go with? So, anyways, guys, that's all for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.